Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, friends. In this video, we will, as you know, we are designing the ERP application in Python Django, and this is a very important part that we need the reports in PDF format, Word format, or Excel format. And in web application, mostly they are providing in web based, so it is in JavaScript mostly. There is no printing server, that is front end, but we are using the Python. So Python, there are too many libraries for generating the reports of PDF. So first we can check how many libraries Django is providing. There are a list of that one, and there are some limitations also. And this is open source. We are using the open source now. This is Django is open source, Python is open source, so no need to pay any cost for this one. But in other tools we have to pay, like we are using any other applications like Oracle Apex, we have to pay. For BI Publisher or any other tool, Jasper Report or Apex offset printing, so they are charging for that one. But in Python Django, it is open source and we have too many tools, so it is a little bit slow. In the meantime, I can open. There is one option is this Django xhtmltopdf. We need to install this one in our Python and then we can use. But they are providing too many options. Report lab is there. Mostly this is more powerful is report lab. This is providing full canvas, but you have to design each and everything, and there is no limitation. We can apply all our designing, but I am using Django XML to XHTML to PDF. We have this option also and this option also. So for generation of the group ledger, I already created one group ledger I show you before. We have group ledger also. Here we created the group ledger. So today we can try to print this in PDF format. For example, I can check the data. Yes, there is data for this period. So now this is, you see, it is coming in HTML format, but if we need the PDF for sending the report, how we can do it, I can show you. And there are too many options there. Comparison packages we have. If you can see the comparison packages now, so Django will show you different packages. Like we are using Django XHTML to PDF, XML to PDF also there too. But there are too many other options also available, which is as per our there is some limitation in this of the CSS, but it is fulfilling our requirement. So first we have to install, like pip install this package. After installation of this package, we can call this one generate PDF. Simple. What it is doing, it will do just it will convert the HTML to PDF. Simple. So we can go in our view. I created one view for this one. Group ledger is this one, group ledger na? Same we are taking the input of 3 fields here. Same group ledger. I make the copy of this one group ledger. Here we are actually redirecting to HTML page. Render request to group ledger. But here we are, what we can do, just we can take the input and same thing, opening balance generation, data generating, and we can create our list, everything. And at last we created one variable HTTP response, content type is PDF, and then we are sending result is equal to generate PDF, which we imported there. Our HTML file path we can define here, file object type PDF, and context is equal to context is data and form and opening balance, and then return result. This is I will call here. I think I didn't create the URL for this one. Sorry, the link for this one. URL I created, maybe I can find. Yes, URL created. Inside menu, this we can add, or we can even group ledger, even group ledger we can create one button also, it is also possible. Yes. Here I can create, or now for time being I am creating inside menu, sidebar. Just we can make the copy of this one. Now you see here new entry, group ledger PDF. We can set our date, select our date, from date to date, and data, any data we can see here, for example account receivable. And this button, query button, query button I will put here, query, instead of query I will put here press this button. using the PDF file. It is generated the PDF file. Group ledger. Okay, so like this we can generate the PDF file. We can format also, more formatting, heading, each and everything, and we can download here. PDF file anywhere. So thank you very much for watching this video.